If you ever have more data than you can see on the screen and you want to keep certain fields visible, so for example, here, I want this first row visible to know what each column contains, or I want book title visible so that no matter how far I scroll to the right, I still know what title this belongs to. The way to do that is to use something called freeze panes. And actually, I currently have it turned on, so let's unfreeze panes and show you what that would be like if I didn't have that frozen. So if I scroll over and I don't have that frozen, we get over here and I have no idea which title any of this data belongs to. But the way to freeze panes is to figure out which columns you still want visible and which rows you still want visible, and then to click in the cell below those rows and to the right of those columns. So I've highlighted these in gray so you can tell the difference. The cells shaded in gray are the ones I want to see all the time. I really don't care about column A, but I can't get column B without doing this. And then you click into the first cell that you don't care about seeing, go to the View tab, Freeze Panes, and choose Freeze Panes. So that froze the top row and the left two columns. So now if I scroll to the right, those two columns stay visible. And if I scroll down, that first row stays visible no matter what. Now you'll notice there are two other options there, freeze top row or freeze first column. If all you need is to freeze the top row or the first column, you don't even have to click in the right cell. You can just go up there and choose that option. But usually I have something like this where I want both a row and a column frozen at the same time. To remove freeze panes, just go back there, View, Freeze Panes, Unfreeze Panes. And now when you scroll, that first row's gone. Those first two columns are gone.